Hey guys, we're back. First YouTube video. Today we're gonna be unboxing my new rims for my truck. What do you think?
I think they're pretty shiny. I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see them. We're gonna be driving there right now to go pick them up. As you can see, it's pretty snowy, so obviously the rims aren't going on the truck yet, but we're gonna go pick them up. Put them in my room, probably sleep in them for a while.
Hug them on at night.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty slippery.
Okay, so we have arrived
Hate it.
back at home. I'm gonna be taking some videos of my truck to show you guys what the wheels are gonna be going on. So let's go take some videos. We went and picked up the wheels, guys. Here we go. We got the staggered sizes for my truck. And here we go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here's what we got. They look absolutely beautiful. Very shiny. Went with the all chrome wheels. They look very nice. Look so clean, as you can see. Look at that. They're absolutely beautiful. They're going to be going on my truck hopefully in the next 2 months, and we do have to buy tread for them still, so we're going to be doing that. But that's the big reveal. They're very nice. If you're thinking about getting yourself some Riddler chromes, definitely do it. It's worth it. They're not even on the truck, and they're absolutely beautiful, so definitely would suggest buying them.